Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from Revolut to Bybit. Ladies and gentlemen, let's jump straight in. So you're going to log into your Bybit account and navigate to assets and then look for deposits. This can be done on your mobile device or it can be done on your desktop. Select the exact cryptocurrency you would like to receive and carefully copy the provided deposit wallet address. Make sure that the network is compatible, and this will of course ensure a smooth delivery. If you do not have the network correct, you will lose your funds and they are non-recoverable. The next step is to open up your Revolut app and head to the crypto section, tap on send and choose the identical cryptocurrency that you've selected in Bybit. Paste the wallet address and make sure that it is exactly the same. Double check that the network also matches Bybit's deposit network to prevent that irreversible loss of funds. Carefully review all transaction details, including the amount, the wallet address, and the network type. Authorize the transaction using your preferred security method. This could be a PIN, biometrics, or a two-factor authentication. Once you've confirmed, you need to wait for the blockchain confirmations, and this timing will vary depending on the cryptocurrency as well as the network congestion.